Bubbly Kids.
Hi kids, today we will see the words starting with letter Q. Q for queen. Q for quiz. Q for quill. Q for quarter. E for Q. Q for quack. Q for quail. Q for question. Q for quiet. Q for quilt. Q for quartz. Q for quince. Q for quantity. Q for Q-tip. Q for quasar. Q for quoll. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.